All right, gang, good afternoon. I hope you guys are enjoying your long weekend. Remember, stock markets are closed tomorrow, Memorial Day. So be safe out there, you guys. So I'm not going to hold you too long here. Let's get you back to enjoying your weekend. I got five stocks and that we're going to look at. Well, actually, three stocks, two equities, or two futures. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. The first one I'm looking at are the bonds. Uh, 30-year Treasury Bonds /ZB. Now I am already in this play, but I want to go ahead and jump in it again in the next contract cycle, right? I'm already in here with the 26 days, and I'm looking to put another one on since this is going to be coming off here this week. So what I want to do is do a super wide iron condor on this. We have been trending sideways, slight uptrend, but for the most part we are sideways. You can see that here. On the 10x bars, we're just kind of hanging out here. All right, yellow means not much going on. So what I want to do is do a super wide iron condor. So we're looking now, this is going to be July 23rd. If you're with Tasty, that's 54 days out. All right. And what I'm looking at doing, like I said here, super wide iron condor, well past expected move. On the put side, I want to go ahead and sell the 150s and then buy the 148s. And then on the calls, I want to sell the 163s and buy those 165s. Okay. It's going to give us an 80% probability here. It's going to be, 234 bucks in credit if you can get the 15 here. And yes, max loss is a little high, but I am okay with that. Buying power right now is only about 320 bucks, so it is fairly cheap to put on. Okay. Nice play there. Really nice play. I'm going to look at that on Monday here. All right, next one that I'm looking at is gonna be some agriculture, and it's gonna be soybean. So /ZS. This has the highest IV out of the whole watch list, and you can see it's running up really good here. We got 10x conviction on the weekly. We got that momentum on the daily. We did pull a little bit back, but that's just 78-minute chart. So we held the 21 and the 8 EMA. I'm expecting this to hopefully kind of run back up and retest those highs. But the very most, as long as we can hold the 50-day and trend sideways, it doesn't matter either. So with that one, okay, /ZS, this is also going to be out here in July 23rd. That is 54 days out. Okay, this one's going to be a vertical spread. I want to go ahead and sell the 1330 puts and buy those 1290s behind it. It's going to be about 2.75 in credit, which equals about $138. Okay, and buying power is only about 500 bucks, giving us an 84% chance here overall. Really good, well past expected move. 10 delta. All right, very nice play here. Now the next one's, I do want to get some airlines put on. So I'm looking at American here. We have been in this little bit of a channel here. I do expect them to kind of take off a little bit and maybe start leaning a little long. So it's a little too cheap to put on just with a straight put. So I'm looking to also add a call just to finance it and get it up there a little bit more to make it a little bit more worthwhile in the trade. So I didn't mark it on here, but I'm looking at the 19 and the 32. So way up there. You can definitely see that that's going to lean it long, but we are below some support. So, and we got some decent resistance at 26. So I want to take advantage of the sideways action, but give it a little bit of wiggle room to the upside. All right. So American Airlines, we're looking July. I want to go ahead and sell those 19 puts and sell those 32 calls. 40 cents. So this is going to be like a 3 to 5 contractor, 3 to 5 contracts, which is going to be, 3 contracts at $120 and 700 bucks in buying power. So not bad, but I want to get at least 40 cents. I won't take anything less. Otherwise, I'd have to tighten it up a little bit. But that does give an 86 pop, 90 P50. So really good play overall here. No defined version. It is a little too cheap and you'd have to get a little too tight. Put it on. Okay. The next one here that I'm looking at is going to be a debit spread, actually, as a matter of fact. Don't do a lot of those, but do them. So what I want to do here is, this is lows. Okay, we had the crazy run up to all-time highs. We've pulled back. We held pretty much 190 here as support, and we're starting to curve around. You can see the 10x bars are yellow, so that downward momentum has slowed down a little bit, and I'm looking for it to run back up here. Okay, so I want to do a debit spread on this one. IV is negative here, negative 0.3. All right, so I'm looking in July. I'm going to give it some time. I want to buy the 190 calls and sell those 200. So I want to pay, 530, 540 for it. I'm going to define you there. And it's about a 50-50 chance. But I am looking at this one to be bullish and long. So, and then lastly here, you guys, is going to be Netflix. Netflix, I'm going to go a little contrarian with this one. As you can see, Netflix has been kind of sideways, but with a downtrend. So I want to play this long, and I'm looking at being down right at pretty much just below support. Okay. I'm hoping it holds the 8 EMA. If it does not hold the 8 EMA, I'm not going to take this trade. So that's going to be the key spot there. But you can see we did fall down. We held support. We ran up, and then we consolidated again. So I'm looking for the breakout here and back up. Okay. So with this one, Netflix, it has no IVR, right? It's just straight flat. Okay, implied volatility. So this is going to be more directional, a little bit of theta decay is not too bad. But I want to go ahead and sell the 475, buy the 470 puts. This is July, 47 days out, so we're going to give it a lot of time. I'm going to take it a little less credit because I wanted to get further out. I wanted to get below support. So $1.25 would be great. Going to give almost a 70% chance here. Okay, it's sitting at 69. So really good odds for this vertical spread. All right. And then that's it, guys. Quick 5 that I'm looking at. So enjoy your weekend, guys. Be safe. Remember, tomorrow is a holiday. Markets are closed. And we'll see you all Tuesday. Take care.